Over time, files on your hard drive get fragmented, and your computer slows down because it has to check multiple places on your hard drive to find those pieces. To have your computer run more efficiently, use the built-in tool in Windows to defragment those files. If you notice files taking longer to load, then this tutorial will be useful to you. You don't need to defragment your SSD, as Windows 10 is optimized enough to do the job for you. If you have any other questions, then leave a comment and let me know. Open up the disk optimization tool by searching for defrag in your taskbar. Select your hard drive and click on Analyze. The option will be grayed out on your SSD. If your fragmentation percentage is over 4%, then I recommend to click on the Optimize button to complete the defragmentation. The best time to do this is when you don't use your system for anything else at that moment. When Windows is done, your drive should say 0% fragmented in the Optimize Drives utility. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.